Printer is ideal for regular or frequent home and small office usage requiring more than 300 prints per month. The printer uses the ink tank technology, which is ideal for high-volume printing at low running cost. It is a single-function printer, which means that the printer can only print and cannot be used for other functions like copying and scanning. It can print in color and black and white. Connect to the printer using the USB cable. You get a printing speed of up to 27 black and white pages or 15 color pages per minute. The printer supports multiple paper sizes to help you with your various printing requirements. Get low printing cost at just 7 paise for black and white prints and 18 paise for color prints. The compatible ink bottle for this printer is T6641 Black, T6642 Cyan, T6643 Magenta, T6644 Yellow. 1 unit of each bottle comes free with this printer. This product comes with 1 year on-site warranty or 15,000 pages print, whichever is earlier. The printer comes with free installation by the brand. Check the product page for more details. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods, or avail no-cost EMI where available. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.